At Express Service Group Inc., we specialize in generator installation and maintenance to ensure you never lose power during an outage. Whether you need a new generator to provide backup power for your home or business, or require maintenance on an existing unit, our expert technicians are here to deliver reliable solutions. A well-installed and properly maintained generator can provide peace of mind and continuous power, keeping your critical systems and appliances running smoothly during unexpected outages. For dependable generator services, contact Express Service Group Inc. Reach out today to schedule your generator service and ensure uninterrupted power when you need it most.
Now remember, don't stress. Call Express for all your electrical, plumbing, HVAC, and water and fire restoration needs at 843-488-4503. Again, that's 843-488-4503. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll stay up to date with Express. We appreciate you sharing our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to watch the next Express video. Thank you for watching.